Mugeonri Moss Waterfall. The green moss world at the foot of Yukbaeksan Mountain. This is a place called Mugeonri Moss Waterfall. It is a famous attraction located in a deep valley at Mount Yukbaek, 1,244 meters above sea level, in Mugeonri, do Giant, Samchuk Sea, Gang Wondu. As the expression unexplored place suggests, the waterfall is a mystery itself. The entire front and surroundings of the waterfall, which consists of two tiers, the bottom and top, are covered with green moss. A moss world where a deep canyon in the mountains is entirely covered in vivid green. Moss Falls is like witnessing an alien space from the movie Avatar, in the real world. It creates an ecstasy that is beyond mysterious. A stream of water breaking into white foam flows down the green moss wall without stopping. The first time you see a few rays of sunlight breaking through the deep forest and lighting up the dark moss valley, people often fall into the illusion that they are in a primordial space. The lower waterfall alone is enough to make you exclaim. The peak of the secret area is hidden at the top. The upper waterfall is much larger and deeper than the lower one. The entire surrounding area is a steep canyon. Inside a canyon of dozens of paths where even a ray of light cannot enter. There is a pond with a strange pale green color called Rungso. Hidden on the wall of the waterfall decorated with moss is a rock cave called Rung's Cave, the depth of which is difficult to estimate. After it rains, the water pours down next to Rung's Cave, in a roaring waterfall. Even water mist blooms inside the cave, adding to the mystery. Yukbaeksan Mountain, which has a moss waterfall. It got its name from the fact that the top of the mountain is flat and can accommodate 600 grains of rice. Moss Waterfall is located in a steep canyon between the stems of Du Ribong and Sat Gabong peaks that come out from the ridge of Mount Yukbaeksan. The cool breeze blowing from the canyon in the summer, when the deep green moss becomes even darker, is also spectacular. Mugeonri Moss Waterfall.